Hi, boys and girls. Today I wanted to go over reading strategies. So when you get stuck on a word, you can look for different strategies you can use. We can use chunky monkey, where you look for small words, or chunk, like all, the all family, like b, all, k, all, m, all. Eagle eye, when you look at the pictures. Stretchy snake, when you tap the word out, stretch it out, like the word run. Lips the fish, make the first sound. Like bat, we would say b, 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 at, bat. Skippy the frog, skip the word if you don't know it and then reread. And today we're going to talk about Flippy dolphin. If one vowel sound doesn't work, we try the next one.
I'm Flippy dolphin and I use vowels to give me reading clues. If I don't know a word, I just might flip those vowels till I get it right. Now Flippy's got some tricks for you. A magic E can be a clue. If you see an E, here's a tip. Try a short vowel, long vowel flip. Is it can or cane? Man or mane? Pin or pine? Thin or fine? Trick number 2 to try right now. Try the sound of every vowel. Try the vowel sounds 1, 2, 3. Flippy, flip the vowels with me. Is it got, gat, gate, goat? Flot, flat, flate, float. When two vowels go walking, the first one sometimes does the talking. When two vowels go walking, the first one sometimes does the talking. Here's a reading game to play. Flippy, flip those vowels and say bat, bait, bet, beat, bit, bite, boat. Cat, kit, kite, cut, cute, cot, coat. With Flippy dolphin you can use vowels to give you reading clues. If you don't know a word, you just might flip the vowels to get it right.
So today we're going to actually try flipping vowels. So when I read this sentence, I like to eat, and now I don't know this word. So I'm going to try tapping it out with stretchy. K, a, k, e, kak. That doesn't sound right. So let me try Flippy and flip the vowel. So the A is going to say its name. K, a, k, cake. That sounds like a word. And there's my picture. I like to eat cake. Let's try it again. The man wears a cape. I know there's a magic E at the end, so he's going to give all his power to the A, and A is going to say its name. Let's see if cape is right. It's a cape to me. The man wears a cape. Now I'm going to have you try it. Read the sentence out loud. The one that's underlined, try and stretch out. If it doesn't work, flip the vowel. So instead of saying eh, you're going to say I. Give it a try. Now let's see if you're correct. I can fly a kite. Kit doesn't sound right. So I can fly a kite. That sounds like the word. Let's check the picture. Perfect. I can fly a kite. So now we're going to look at this book and we're going to try using our strategies together. So this book is called, I don't know what that first word is. So I'm going to try Flippy. B-a-k-e, back. That doesn't sound right. B-a-k, bake sale. That's what this book is called. One day, Mac and Tosh were reading, and Billy came along. "Good morning, Billy," Tosh said. "You look upset," Mac said. I don't know what that word is, so I'm going to try one of my strategies. Bick is broken. That doesn't sound right. My bike is broken. That sounds right. "My bike is broken," Billy said. "Oh no," Tosh replied. "I don't have enough money to get it fixed." Billy sighed. Tosh said, "Mac, we must help Billy fix his bike." "Don't be upset, Billy. I have an idea," Mac said. "We can have I'm not quite sure what that word is. So let me try my strategies. Let's try stretchy first. Back sale. That doesn't sound right. Let me try Flippy. Bake. That's a word. We can have a bake sale, he added. Mac started making signs. Mac put the signs up all over town. Tosh started picking apples and baking. Tosh baked many yummy apple treats. People bought apple pies. People bought applesauce. People bought apple jams. People bought apple tarts. Soon they had enough money for Billy to fix his bike. "Thanks, Mac and Tosh," Billy said. "Apples rule," he added. So that's just another way that we can use a strategy to help us when we're reading. So I want you to all try today when you're reading your own books to try Flippy Dolphin. If one sound doesn't make sense, try another sound. We know that A says ah, but it also says A. I says eh, but it also says I. E says eh, but it also says E. O says ah, but it also says O. And U says ah, but it also says you. So I want you to give that a try today. Have a great day.